despite the weather, here we are at Dragin Wagon. Over 60 cars have showed up. That's dedication, folks. When you're a hardcore gearhead, that's it. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2017 Dragin Wagon Show in Honeybrook, PA. This is their April show. Gotta check all the other folks out. I'm gonna walk away from the music because then YouTube cuts me off. Just want to do some quick walk arounds of some of these customs. Check this Ford out. I like this. The French headlights, the Chevy grille, louvered hood, twin spots. Look at those skirts with the vents. French antenna. This is what I like. Look at those tail lights. Is that gorgeous? That is a true classic custom of the Chevys. Ford, I'm doing good, of the 50s. Sorry folks, I'm fighting a cold. And I'm out here in the freezing. But you know what? We're gearheads. We understand this stuff. We love it. We just love it. Isn't that a pretty little Chevelle? Nice bird. Nice bird. 63? I gotta make sure of that. Another forgotten. This is the Pontiac GTO, the modern one. Actually a Holden made in Australia. Really a beastie of a car. Quite something. Unfortunately, so with Pontiac going south, they never had a chance. And on top of that, I'm sorry folks, but it is not an inspiring style. It doesn't want you to get out there. To drive, I hear they're phenomenal. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2017 Dragin Wagons April show in Honeybrook, PA. For more cool shows like this, make sure you check your wheels daily. That's NortheastWheelsEvents.com in the north, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com in the south, UKWheelsEvents.com in UK. And while you're there, folks, make sure you post your shows. You post directly on the calendars. Remember, these are your sites. See you at the car shows. I don't think that's a stock motor.